If you want to change several items at once, please use the batch edit process. You can find this in the Management Console under Masterdata Items item list. There, please select the items which should be processed. If you want to process all items, please use the Select All icon at the top left of the item list. Once you have made your selection, please go to the three dots next to the word Submenu and select Trigger Batch Edit. Now you will see which items you have selected. If your selection is correct, go to step 2. Here you will be asked if you want to increase or decrease prices, or if you want to edit specific values. Make your selection. Here in this example, we select Edit Values. In step 3, you select the values or the value you want to adjust. Here in this example, we want to delete the sales restriction age on the items. Step 4 now shows you again exactly what changes you want to make and how many items are affected. If this is correct, you can start processing the changes by clicking on step 5. After all items have been processed, you will receive a summary.